Today we're at the 2019 GasGas EC250 and 300 launch. Now in 2018, GasGas brought out a brand new model and it just absolutely smashed it out of the park. It was a great model bike. For 2019, they've just done a few refinements to it. So let's find out exactly what they've done to that bike with the brand manager of GasGas, Lee.
The changes to the EC range for 2019 include the neck and bars and a small solid bar clamp for more rigidity, a little bit more direct steering and a solid mount. Also, we've changed the cylinder head for a more broadened power delivery. Also then we've upgraded the electric system for starting, larger battery. The map switch is a really exciting part of the updates for 2019. It means that you can have a conventional, fast revving, exciting two-stroke, but then you can also click it back in those conditions where it gets slippery and tough for riding, and you can drop it back and it just cuts the over rev and just makes it a little bit broader, excellent for a novice rider or someone getting tired in the day. But they've updated the radiators, the different way they mount to the shrouds. The airbox cover is actually reconfigured with clip-in a little bit better. It's a nice little improvement. A cool feature on the Speedo is they have a battery meter. We're all guilty of leaving our bikes for a month or two in the shed, then we take it out and find it's flat. You then can push the button and see if it's flat. Make sure you charge it before you go for a ride. For 2019, we have imprinted graphics on the shroud, same as 18, with a little more graphic in there. And the red frame guards, that's probably the easiest way to tell the difference between an 18 and a 19.
Well, the time has come to gear up, get ready, go out and have a bit of a blast on these bikes, see how they're different from last year. And there's some exciting news at the end of the segment, so keep watching. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I spent all my time on the EC300. This bike is so much fun to ride, but that gives me an excuse to come back and ride the EC250, doesn't it? These brakes are amazing. They're very powerful. The front's great and the back's fantastic as well. Both brakes are very even. Now the engine on the 300, amazing. It's got a lot of great bottom end and it's also got a lot of over rev as well. It's a fantastic two-stroke engine. It's just exactly that. It's certainly not like a four-stroke at all. You don't have any engine braking, which I had to get used to, but I really liked it. It brought me back to old school days. Well, I actually found it easier to ride up a hill on this bike than I do on the four-strokes. It just corners like a mountain bike. You feel like you're just grabbing onto a bike that's free rolling and easy to get down hills. Now the mapping switch that they have on this bike is fantastic. It really does work. You do notice a difference when you put it onto the sunny switch, which leans the bike up. Now the suspension, unbelievable. KYB works all the time. It's old school, but it's fantastic. It's nice and slim. You can move around on it. It's got a great flat seat. The actual seat cover is nice and grippy. Now the things that I think that this bike comes with that is just A1, and that's the XL rims. These are the quality XL rims, so they're not going to bend or break anytime soon. Another really cool thing is this comes with a standard Fmf muffler. Now that's amazing. You know, to have an aftermarket muffler on a stock bike is something you don't find too often. I love these handguards. I love a motocross handguard. I don't like the wraparound handguards, and these incorporate into the levers as well, so they look like they're going to be very sturdy and strong. So value for money, this bike comes with some absolute goodies. It's jam-packed full of them and it's a great bike to ride. Get out there and have a ride on one of these. The big news is we've got this for a year. Of course, we're going to make it a project bike. Not sure what I'm going to do to it because it's so good out of the crate. We'll probably do a little few things to bling it up, but after that, I'm not sure what we're going to do. But we've got it for a year, so follow us on YouTube and we'll tell you what goes wrong with it or what goes right with it and what we think of it after a year.